voice and let me hear you shout. Me get to you know how I get down. Let me hear you say, hit the I say. She whispered in my ear, she said she wanna replay. You're looking nasty.
Hi guys, it's Hannah, and this is my first official video on Hannah's World. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this really cool slime with no borax and no laundry detergent stuff, so you don't have to waste that. So yeah, and it's really super stretchy and like it just, you know what else you can do with it? So you can just like do that thing, but I'm not really good at doing that, so let's start. The first thing you'll need is something to mix in. So something to mix in, something to mix with. I'll bring that later. Some glue, doesn't matter what kind, and some baking powder or baking soda, an eye solution or something, I don't know, but like I already put it in here, so we don't have to bring it. You can already see it. So Sandy, you want to add the glue? Actually, no, hold on. Yeah, so Sandy, you can add the glue. Sweet. Ready? Okay, is that how much slime you want to make, or you want to make more? Let's make more. Yeah, okay, that's good. And now I'm going to mix it. This is the one I use for like all of my slimes. Okay, just a little mix. Then we have to have the baking powder and put in something, or just like just straight up put it in there. But I'm just gonna put on this cap. So I ended up putting it on the cap, and let's just pour some in little by little, then start mixing. Mix. Because I can't. I'm holding the camera. So like just turn it. Okay. Okay, now let's add some more. Okay, start mixing again. Okay, let me try to mix. Okay, Hannah's gonna mix now. Okay, now let's add some more. Because you want to add little by little. Because you want it to end up like, Sandy, show them. You want it to end up like this. How'd you make it thick? We'll just like, I'll show you what to do when it gets thick. So Sandy, just leave it in here. So just keep mixing it. So now you can see a really good sign. So
it's white.
Okay. It's like really sticky. Sandy, shush. I'm just kidding. So yeah. Probably want to add some more of the baking powder.
Here's your McDonald's slime, Hannah.
What McDonald's slime? Okay.
Hey, my dummy.
Sorry. So, like, everything's sticking to the toothbrush. That's a good sign. Now start, like, once it gets like that, you want to take everything out of the cup and just start kneading with it. Just knead it. Like, even
Why is one? We did it!
No, not yet.
Oh.
Just knead it a little and then put it back in the cup. Because there's more to scrub off. Just like knead a little of it. And then after that,
look at Poopy. Look at Hannah, look at Poopy.
No, Cindy, leave it alone.
Oh, sorry.
So keep mixing and mixing and scraping till it looks something like... Cindy, I said to leave. Cindy, please. Thank you. You get to put in the liquid and put something like this.
Yeah.
Where it's just like in the middle, and then you just want to take it out and boom. Sonic! Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you get this really good result. It's like, oh my gosh, it's so good. So good.
This one is so good, but it's still gold.
So it's also,
Look at this, guys.
anyway, it's also still super, it's like thin. It's also thin. Yeah, that's also another problem, but like it's not really that big of a problem. Because once you start kneading with it a lot, it's going to be better. We made so much slime today, 2 fails, and 2 great results. Yeah, this one is so good. But now is the great moment when we mix both of them. What are you doing? I told you to leave it. Sally! Last coming. So,
Look up, we're not